Hello friend, Assalamu alaikum. Dear friends, today I'm going to teach you English pronunciation. So today I'm going to teach you three important letters, how we pronounce them and what is the actual real pronunciation of them. So these three words are P, K, C. Yes, P, K, C. So what is the actual pronunciation of these? So for example, we say, we Pakistani, Indian and Sindhi say Telenor. Telenor, it is a tower, it is a network. Telenor, but its actual pronunciation is Telenor. Telenor, not Telenor. Telenor. We say Karachi, Karachi, but in English its actual pronunciation Karachi, Karachi. We say K, but in English it's not K, it's not proper sound K, but its pronunciation, its sound is K, K, not K, K. Yes. We say T. Yes, T. But in English, it's not T. Its actual pronunciation in English, T. 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 That's why Telenor. We say tomorrow. I will come to you tomorrow. But in English, I will come to you tomorrow. Yes, we say car. Car, car, but in English I already said you that it's not car, it is a k, car, car. In English we pronounce r, r. In English it is a very soft sound. We say teacher, but in English its pronunciation is teacher, teacher, teacher. Yes. So hopefully friends you enjoy a lot in this video. For more such videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you want to improve your English pronunciation, then you have to watch English movies.